Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy Audible books with credit. First I'd like you to do is to open or launch your Audible website and sign up using your account credentials. Now you have to sign into your Audible account using the Amazon account that has your Audible Premium membership. After signing in, just look at the top right corner of the page to confirm that you have available credits. Mine says 0 credits. Now, your remaining credit balance is displayed next to your account name, which we have in here. So, use the search bar to find whatever book you want. I'm just going to do Whispers. Just whatever book. Let's say Whispers of the Deep. And click on the audiobook to open its product page. All right, so let's say we open it. So once you open it, then you check for the option if you have credits. If you have credits and you are a premium member, just go ahead and search for the button that says buy with 1 credit button. So try for this, buy this, more options. Okay, so if you have credits, right, if you have credits, then you're going to see an option to buy with 1 credit. All right, but if you don't have credits, then you'll not see that option. So if you have credits, then just go ahead and click on the button. Now only members with available credits will see this option, which I said. Then click buy with 1 credit. Now Audible will display a confirmation screen asking you to verify your purchase. Click confirm to redeem 1 credit for the audiobook. Now, sorry about that. Once the purchase is complete, the audiobook is automatically added to your library. So to verify your purchase, you're going to have to click on library at the top navigation menu and locate the audiobook in your library and click listen now to stream it or download it to a supported device for offline listening. So that's how it works. Now go to the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get into the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial helps